Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing power and software so pairing succeeds. Plug the A50 base into a USB port and dock the headset. Once done, open Astro Command Center so firmware and EQ options are available. That's why we install it first. Make sure Windows recognizes the base as an audio device. If prompted, accept driver installs. You'll hear the headset enter pairing mode automatically when docked, and the app will show the device. This is the first actionable checkpoint. Next, you configure routing and fine-tune sound so in-game audio and voice chat behave predictably. In Windows sound settings, pick the A50 for both playback and recording. Then, in the Command Center, set your preferred game/chat balance and apply an EQ preset or custom curve. Once done, test the mic with voice recorder or in-game voice. If you use Discord or OBS, select A50 as input/output there, as well to ensure the signal path remains consistent. Finish by validating real-world use. Play for 15-30 minutes at typical volume to confirm comfort and battery behavior. Make sure firmware is current via the app. Updates fix latency or mic issues. If you run into audio dropouts, reboot your PC, unplug and replug the base, then redock the headset. This clears USB enumeration problems. If the mic remains quiet, check Windows privacy settings to allow apps access to the microphone. That one tweak often resolves silent mic problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.